Hey guys, wanted to show you the account that we run on cost controls, bid caps, cost caps, and target ROAS. And it's started from scratch, from the very beginning. So when we joined this account, like previously, it was running at around $50 a day and was bleeding and couldn't scale. So the campaigns were turned off by the time I've joined the account. And the first thing I've done, I've created the bid capped campaigns and started to pump a lot of creatives. Like we started from the batch of 50 creatives, then started to pump in around 100 creatives weekly in order to understand what is working, what is not working. And it was a hard time scaling the account. Why? Because we didn't have the understanding about the product market fit. So basically, it's not the account problem, it's the product market fit problem where we don't know what resonates, what kind of visuals, what kind of angles resonate with the target audience. And it took us like a lot of time to understand what is working, what is not working. You see, as we started to pump more creatives in, yeah, the spend went up. On some days, we were even hitting the target ROAS. But again, it was hard to scale. But in the very beginning of September, I found the creative and the angle that started to convert like crazy. And it took us like 10 days. You see, from the beginning of the month, like 3rd, we already started to see the results, like 2.46 ROAS. And then we've scaled from $30 to $3,000 a day in a matter of 10 days. So it's not like scaling like crazy in 10 days. It's testing for 2 months in order to find something that is working efficiently without losing a ton of money and being able to scale significantly. And then the brand owner asked me to tighten the bids because they simply ran out of stock. So their supply wasn't ready for that. And then I tightened the bids and cut the budgets. And you see the ROAS went up and it was hard to stop. And now like the products still didn't arrive and I'm waiting to scale this account. So we are above the target ROAS, like the brand is almost out of stock. So they are working on pre-orders right now. So I will keep you posted on how the account will behave when the product is back in stock. And we are using, as I mentioned, bid caps as the core campaign. And for additional spend, we have target ROAS, where we have the consolidated structure with one ad set per campaign, and all the spenders are copied by post ID from the bid cap campaign into this one, and the same for the cost cap campaign. So we copy the creatives from the bid caps, the ones that get spent under the bid caps, and copy them into the cost per result goal campaign. So the TLDR from here, you can scale fast with bid caps. And from my perspective, it's more efficient compared to the automatic bidding when you have to spend on each creative test, no matter the results. So you can waste money on testing and you can test efficiently with bid caps. And if the creative doesn't spend, it's also a result that tells me that the test is failed, but the test is free. So this is pretty much it.